Hello, my friends. In this comprehensive lesson, we will thoroughly learn and get to know the absolutely correct way to effectively block anyone who persistently bothers you on the widely used WhatsApp application. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your very first time watching, please don't forget to support me by simply clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking this video, and generously sharing it with your friends and family. And this helpful method works on both the regular WhatsApp application and the dedicated WhatsApp business application. This particular method also works effectively on Android mobile phones as well as on all iPhones. So for example, we will now demonstrate the detailed explanation on the regular WhatsApp application. Open it up as you usually would and then carefully look for the specific individual person you want to permanently block. For instance, I will effectively block this particular person. I will carefully click on their profile from this specific spot. Then, I will gently tap on this designated spot, meticulously scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page, and then precisely select the final option, which is clearly labeled Report. If your mobile phone device is currently set to another language, please remember to pay close attention to the visual icons and the exact locations you will need to navigate to Shiba-san ID. I will tap right here, then I will carefully check this particular option, and then I will proceed to tap on this specific spot. So I have successfully and completely blocked this particular person effectively. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains some incredibly useful WhatsApp tutorials where you'll undoubtedly find many important and beneficial guides that you will surely like and genuinely benefit from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.